In this question, since I am not able to multiply x power 5 in bracket, which is x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3, so it is difficult to direct integrate with the formula xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So if I rearrange the expression in this now I can use here substitution method. If I use x cube minus 1 equals to any variable, then the term x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3 will simplify. So use the substitution method. Here I am substituting x cube minus 1 equals to t. Then if take derivative on both the side, I'll get 3x squared dx equals to dt. In the question, x squared dx is available, so x squared dx will be dt by 3. Substitute the value in the question. The question will transform in t power 1 by 3 and the value of x cube from here t plus 1, so I can write t plus 1 and x squared dx means dt by 3, so dt by 3 here. So now I'm just solving the integration. So multiply t power 1 by 3 in bracket, I'll find t power 5, t power 4 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3, and since 3 is the constant, so it will be outside the integration dt. I can integrate separately, so t power 4 by 3, now I can use the formula x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here it will be t power 4 by 3 plus 1 and 4 by 3 plus 1, and here it is t power 1 by 3 plus 1 and 1 by 3 plus 1, and the integration constant, which is c. Now just simplify the expression. I will find 1 by 3 t power 7 by 3 3 by 7 plus 3 by 4 into t power 4 by 3, so plus c. So the answer will be 1 by 7 t power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 t power 4 by 3 plus c. So now we can substitute the value of t from the assumption, which is x cube minus 1. So putting the value of t, we will find x cube minus 1 power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 x cube minus 1 power 4 by 3 plus c. So this will be our answer.